Oh yeah, since I'm from Bicol, so usually this is the soup that we are going to prepare in Bicol. We call it cosidillo.
Okay, I'm Chef Fernan, one of the instructor here in the Trilog Institute. So now we have a final of Filipino dish here. So this is our student to present our food. So Chef Albert, first he's the one to present the dish. So what dish you?
Oh yeah, since I'm from Bicol, so usually this is the soup that we are going to prepare in Bicol. We call it cosidillo. I supposed to use tilapia because that's the one we are using it, but I choose to choose these ingredients, sea bass, to give you good taste. And cosidillo means it's like a soup. Maybe you're thinking that this is what they call that one, sinigang, but it's kind of different because I use it lemon instead of lime. So yeah, that's it. It's a basic ingredients: onion, garlic, and some.
This is a very well-known.
Parang partner Chris. Ngayon ko lang narinig yung partner Chris pero mukhang masarap. Sige.
Yes.
Tarahin mo na yan.
This one is
I supposed to use usually in Bicol we are using kamote leaves.
Kamote leaves.
But unfortunately I didn't find it here, so I use it with chai instead of
Wow.
So
let's see
alternative.
kung anong hatol ni Mr. Chris Demon sa ating cosidillo. Ang tagal.
This dish is very popular.
Kapit-bahay lang namin ng
Yes.
Bicol, parang ngayon ko lang narinig yung cosidillo na to.
Cosidillo po.
Cosidillo.
You can also try the fish if you want. Fish from your reference.
So pwede
but-
siyang iprito.
Yes, print and then yeah.
How does it taste like? Don't tell me it tastes like fish.
Does taste like
Ano siya? Maasim? Ano?
Actually, hindi siya maasim. Kasi sabi ni chef is he was using lemon.
Yeah, lemon.
Pero hindi siya na-overpower ng lemon.
Okay. Pero yung lemon nandyan.
Andyan siya, pero hindi siya na-overpower. Kasi yung ibang dish naman, kapag sinasabi nilang they try to use lemon, parang lemon na rin yung ma-taste mo.
Pero ano ba yung dapat, chef? Dapat bang maasim siya na parang sinigang? O ano?
Because usually, why it's not overpowering by the lemon, because I usually put after or before you serve it, so that it will not overpower by the lemon. Yes. Unlike in the sinigang that it's totally you can taste the sour.
Oo.
Okay, but
Tapos
this one
mayroon
is-
siyang ano yun? Ano to? Grass na to? Lemongrass, no?
Yes, to you know that.
Iba yung taste ng sinigang compared
So parang maging parang ano to? Parang Thailand style to, sigurado. O hindi?
If you put up to me yung paste,
It will be.
It will be, but you know, usually it's a popular.
Iba yung lasa. Mas masarap yata ito sa
Matikman
sinigang.
nga to kung ano.
Mas masarap kasi sa sinigang.
Hindi ako na
Yung gamitin nyo pong panglasan,
Tingnan natin.
talagang lemon sa akin.
Tingnan natin to mga
Kalamansi pala, kalamansi.
katrits, kalamansi.
Sorry, kalamansi. Yeah, it's kalamansi.
Tikman natin to mga katrits, ha? Ayos siya.
Hindi siya
Tamang-tama lang.
masarap
Tamang-tama.
naman siya sa sinigang.
Tama-tama lang. Yung hindi mahilig sa masyadong maasim, ito, tamang-tama tong lutong to. For sure, magugustuhan nyo.
Ayaw ko pala ng
Tapos may
asin.
coconut siya, no?
Wala po.
Wala.
Wala pong coconut.
Sorry naman, kasi yung tong kutsarang ginamit ko. Galing sa cream. Yun, thank you. So, move on na tayo sa next dish. Mamaya mo na tirahin yan.